Just getting started with proxies and don't want to break the bank? Let's talk about IPRoyal, the best affordable proxy service for beginners. It offers real residential IPs, not data center ones that get banned fast. That means your traffic looks like it's coming from real people, not bots. You can start with just a few dollars and scale up anytime. Perfect if you're doing Instagram automation, scraping, or secure browsing. The dashboard is beginner-friendly with no tech jargon or complicated setup. Choose your country, connection, and get going in minutes. Even first-time users can configure everything easily with their guide. You get fast, rotating IPs with 99% uptime and solid customer support. No sneaky fees, no long contracts, just clean working proxies. It's tested and proven across platforms like TikTok, Google, and eBay. So if you're a beginner looking for cheap and reliable proxies, go with IPRoyal. Check the reference link in the description to try it now. It's your first step to browsing smart and staying secure online.